Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are TechSquad. We are group 21 for INF370 of 2018. I will shortly introduce our group members, and then I will follow up with a quick description of our client and the problem that we were facing for the project. We have Hannah Matthews, our team leader, Jake Rawlinson, Dagan Camps, Tatile Gama. So, our client is Mr. Michael Matthews, who is the founder and executive director of the CMDA, or the Casterbridge Music Development Academy, located in White River, in Mpumalanga. A problem outline that of what we faced is the CMDA has a bar in the barnyard area of the organization that is operational whenever the students put on a show at the CMDA. This bar uses a paper-based system that causes many inefficiencies. Installing a basic point-of-sale system would be preferable and a significant improvement. The project, therefore, is to build and install a point-of-sale system for the bar that will help in better tracking inventory, optimizing sales, managing shifts, and generating reports. That said, let's get straight into the project and our system, and to show the main features of said system. Alright, so here we have our system called the BarPOS that will handle the point of sales and the administrative functionalities of the business rather than their standard paper-based system that they're currently using. Firstly, we select the email of our user who we wish to log in with. Then we enter the BarPOS PIN, which is automatically generated upon creating a new user. So we enter our password and click login. This will navigate to the dashboard screen, which is our landing page for the BarPOS system. Here we have just some details of sales and suppliers and just general statistics. On the menu to the left, we can see the BarPOS components, which are the main functionalities of our system, and underneath that we have the back office components with our support page at the bottom. So we will make a sale, as this is the main function of our system. We will firstly add a stock item that we can add to the sale. You can say stock under the back office components. This will here then list our stock items that we have on our system, including the description, the brand, quantity on hand. Here we can sort according to different attributes, and we can also edit, delete, and view the different individual elements. So we will then add a new stock item. We'll give it a name, calling it INF370 beer. Oops, sorry, just cut out for a second. Next we can say stock type, we can say beer. Stock brand, we'll say Carlings. Quantity on hand, say we've got 30. Address, minimum level 20. And submit. Next we'll see that there's a pop-up message. Stock successfully added. Takes us back to the main screen. We can see it's been added at the bottom. So another feature that we have in the system is to edit certain entries that we have made in the past. So if we scroll down on stock, back to the INF370 beer we created, we can simply select the edit in the same row. This will bring up the details of that row. We can say change it to INF370 soda instead, change stock type to sodas, change the brand to Coca-Cola, keep the quantity on hand minimum level the same, and we submit that. So say stock successfully updated, take us back to the previous menu, and here we've got INF370 soda instead of the beer. Alright, so the next feature we can show is the sales. Click on sales under POS components. You'll see a list of all the open sales tickets. These are just for tables at the moment, and we're going to create a new sale. Click new sale, say the sale ticket name, we can add that for say table number 5, and once that, click create, we'll be able to make payments and add items to the sale ticket. Right, so here we've got the sales ticket. It's today's date with the number that was incremented after every sales ticket of the day. So here we've got our menu, we've got the beverages tab, here we've got sodas, clothing and beer. We can just ignore the clothing. If we click under sodas, we will have a little list here of all the sodas that match in this specific category. You can click Coca-Cola 330 ml, add that to the sale. It will then find the latest price on that has been assigned to the specific stock item, and then add that to the sales ticket on the right hand side. Alright, so as we can see here, we've got one Coca-Cola added, 75 Rand 60 cents, and we can remove this item as well from the sales ticket if we so please. The outstanding amount 75 Rand, we can make a payment on that if we wish to. So here we've got the amount due and amount tendered. We can say here 70, and our payment method can be card. So we can just confirm that payment's been received. And you'll see that the outstanding amount is 5 Rand and 6 cents. Alright, next up is our event reservations, which will allow us to sell tickets, or rather reserve the tickets for specific events. Under the events reservations, we have event, a customer, and number of tickets listed, in which we can edit, delete and view these reservations. So let's add a new reservation here. First we can choose the customer. Here's the list of the customers' names and surnames. Let's just say customer 5. You can choose events from the list. You can say polytones, a number of tickets, let's just say 8. Do we submit? you will see that the reservation is successfully added, and then here we can see parlor tones, customer 5, number of tickets has been added. Alright, so reports is the next aspect on our list. Reports can be generated for certain back office components as events and users, and we have two formats that we can do the reports in. It's download it through Word and download it through as a PDF report. If it's downloaded through Word, the user or owner rather can edit the format, or they can add their own notes to it. So if we click on download PDF reports for events, it will bring up a save file and save it. When you open it, it's right there for us. We will quickly show you the dynamic help functionalities that we have in our program. If we scroll down to say customers and click on the question mark at the top, you will see that there is a help function. If we click on that, it will navigate to a help document specifically for the page related to it, and as you can see, gives you a nice rundown of the steps that needs to be taken in order to complete that functionality. And with that, all the support is available right down at the bottom of the side menu in the form of a user manual, training manual, and contact the team. If we click on contact the team, it'll bring us up to our static web page, which is our group here listed with the details for emails and our contact details. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, with that, that concludes a little demonstration of the system, and we hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you.